Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you a cover of a Death Cab for Cutie song, Death of an Interior Decorator. It's in standard tuning, doing a pick, no capo. It's beginner intermediate level. It's probably the best you'll find on YouTube. It's not, of course, not exact to the song, but it's pretty good sound. It sounds pretty good. So I'm going to demonstrate it really quick and then go through in detail for each part. Okay, so the verse will go something like this. Well, actually the intro and verse. So intro. You were the mother, three girls so sweet, stormed through your turnstile, climbed through the street, and after conception, you just loop that. Okay, and then, can you tell me why you have been so sad? Please excuse my singing. Sad. He took a look. Or you go back into the verse. Okay, so can you tell me why you have been so sad? Then once you've done all that, and you get to the chorus / climax, it's gonna sound like this. Pretty simplified. The girls were all there, they traded their vows. The youngest one glared with furrowed brows. They tenderly kissed and cut the cake. And it felt just like falling in love again. And it felt just like falling in love again. Can you tell me why you have been so sad? Okay, I hope you get that. That was the song breakdown. Now I'll go through each part in depth. So for the verse and intro, it's a G chord, but you're gonna have to play it like this, how you see, with my ring finger on the thickest string, and then my middle finger on the second fret of the second thickest string, and then pinky on that last one. That's it. I know this is weird for some people. You gotta learn it at some point. Sorry, beginners. You gotta do it. But once you do, this is a great song to learn it on, because you just go straight to a C, back and forth, so you can practice that a lot. So you do that, and you want to do down, down, up, down, up, straight into picking the E minor chord, which is your middle finger and ring finger on the second and third string from the top. And what we're going to pick is, listen carefully, top, second, third. Okay, top, second, third. Take your hands off. Third again. Fourth and third. And to C. So slowly. Okay. So, top, second, third open, fourth, third open, C, which is your ring finger on the second string from the top, third fret, middle on third string from the top, second fret, and your pointer finger on the fifth string from the top, first fret. Back to the G from before. It's just a... So... Got it. Great. Cool. Next part. Go straight from that. Can you tell me why? Okay, so what we're doing here is kind of a D-ish. So we're putting the forefinger on the second fret of the last string, middle finger on the third fret of the second to last string, and pinky on the fourth fret of the third from the bottom. Can you see it? Hope you can see it. These guys. Okay, now this finger's not doing anything. Now Nice. Okay, so this is good for us because then we have to go into the B minor, which is not fun. This one's hard. And what that is, now you're just going to take that ring finger that wasn't doing anything and putting it next to the pinky on the 3rd fret from the top on the 4th fret, or 3rd string from the top, 4th fret. So that's the bottom 2 for the B minor, leaving the middle finger where it was on the D, and taking your pointer finger and barring across the top and grabbing that 2nd string from the top and holding it down along with this last string down here. So, and then go switching from that to the G from before. Okay, can you tell me why you have been so sad? There's no strumming, it's just. Can you tell me why you've been so sad? So see, it's slow, it's smooth, it's close. The fingers are close. So this is a great way to learn B minor and that G. Okay, now for the chorus part. It is just, as you probably saw earlier, the G, picking the top string, then to that G, but you take these 2 fingers and you move them back 1. So for people who don't know this G is the ring finger, pinky on the last 2 strings on the 3rd fret, a middle finger on the top string or whatever thick string on the 3rd fret, and a pointer on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. That's a G. So we're picking it, then strumming. Then we're picking, and we're moving these 2 fingers down to just back, you know, picking the 2nd string, and strumming. The girls were all where they traded their vows. The youngest one where with furrowed brows. Okay, got through that. So at the end of this chorus, build up, whatever, he goes, and it felt just like falling in love. That is an A minor, I believe is what it's called. It's the middle finger on the 3rd string from the top, ring finger on the 4th string from the top. These are both 2nd fret, and then your pointer finger on the 2nd to last string, 1st fret. So. And it felt just like E minor now. So we're just taking these 2 fingers, moving them up, and taking the pointer finger off. Falling in. Then we're going to a D, which y'all should know, but it is pointer finger and middle finger on the 3rd and 1st string from the bottom on the 2nd fret, and then your ring finger on the 2nd string from the bottom, 2nd ring string from the bottom, 3rd fret. Okay, so it felt just like falling in love, love, love. And then we're doing this chord shape, which is kind of like an A, I don't really know. We're grabbing the bottom 4 strings. It felt just like falling in love. Again, like a little change up again, and then back to that A minor, E minor, D, and the G. So this is a long move to make, but it's slow. So ring all the way over, and then restart at the verse. Okay, and that's the whole song. Go listen to it on Apple Music to get the full arrangement. I'm not gonna sit here and play and sing all of it for you because I'm shy. Not really, but yeah, I hope that helps you out. If you like underground music and you hate those mainstream YouTube guitar tutorialists, subscribe for me. I got you with all your favorite songs. Leave a suggestion in the comments. Like, do whatever. I'll get better, I swear. I'm just here to bring you good songs to play on your guitar. So, have a good day.